Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. Who's excited to see our new catalog for the fall and winter for Epicure Canada? So here we go. As a consultant, we have access to this a couple weeks before, and that is one of the best things I would say about being an Epicure consultant is you get access to everything early, and I was able to pre-order everything in this new catalog 2 weeks earlier too. So stay tuned for me to do some cooking. I'll be making tons of cakes and I will be sharing all of that with you. But for now, let's have a look inside the catalog here. So I hope you guys can see this okay. If I'm moving too quickly, just feel free to click pause and then you can have a look at it obviously on your own time. But here we go, you guys, our never ever list, which is in all of the catalogs, usually the first page. When somebody's asking you about, well, what's so special about Epicure, show them this list. It's because we have none of this that is horrible for you, toxic for lack of a better word. That is why Epicure is so awesome in a nutshell. Next one. So this is just highlighting our new Good Thai Real Fast collection. So our meal kits are awesome because it has everything in there. You just have to pick your own, your own chicken, noodles, rice, whatever, basically anything that you need to pick up from the store that wouldn't stay fresh in the box. That is something you can pick up on your own, but that's the nice thing is that you can wait for proteins to go on sale. You do not have to have the proteins that come in a lot of those meal kits that you might find somewhere else. You can pick and choose where you want to purchase them. So in our meal kits, there are at least 40 to 44 different meals with the recipe cards included, which is awesome. And if you need more, you can go on the Epicure website, and there's a menu option on the website titled Cook. Just click on that and type in the meal kit that you have purchased, and then you will see a lot more recipes to go along with that. Okay, next, all of the different meal kits that we have. As I said, you guys, these meal kits are awesome, perfect for new customers who don't really know where to start. But even me, I've been with Epicure for 3 years. I've been a customer for probably 4 years, and I buy the meal kits all the time. And it's nice for a gift idea too. So if you're looking for something different for somebody that has everything, get them a meal kit. They will love it and they will thank you. Next part, just kind of showing you guys our Good Food Real Results program. Our Epic Life Challenge is starting up again in September. I have the link for you guys to join that if you want in the Facebook group. If you have any questions, let me know, but it's a full community support program, pretty much online, to just help you learn meal prepping, portion sizes, how you can still eat desserts without having to eat the unhealthy desserts, because that is why Epicure is so amazing. We have cake options that are so much healthier and so much quicker to make and easier than you trying to purchase like a bake mix from the store. Our Epic Life Collection. So this is another one where if you're new to Epicure, you want to start eating healthy as soon as possible, this is where to start. It has a little bit of everything, including the recipe guide and the journal as well. So this is very, very popular. The value is $161, on sale for $125. This is a must-have. And just kind of talking again about how to eat healthy and kind of where to start. We have the new kitchen setup where if you're looking to get some new kitchen cooking tools, this is amazing. I have everything, and it is only $290 for all of this. Again, just sort of showcasing a couple things. Whoops, sorry guys, I didn't mean to click it that fast. Our protein powder tastes amazing. You would be pleasantly surprised, and it's super healthy for you. It's showcasing our new sheet pans also. So these actually are a lot tinier, and it does come in a pack of 2 for $25. So helpful if you want to cook 2 different things in 2 different pans at the same time, because if you put them side by side, 2 of them do fit inside the oven. Our whole food toppers, again, I'm sorry, I will probably say this with everything, but a must have. You can add them to anything. They taste amazing. Check out these ones. They are all pretty popular, actually. I would say that not one is more popular than the other. It just kind of depends on what you want to use it for. I would say the Cocoa Crunch is for anything dessert related. You can add on top or within the dessert itself. I like to use it on toast and on my lattes, even teas. The Everything Bagel is pretty self-explanatory if you make your own bagels, but you could put it on pretty much anything. You could put it on, yeah, anything, but maybe not desserts or yogurts. You might want to save it for the other two. Our Tahiti Fruity, Tutti Frutti, how would you pronounce it? I've never really looked that closely at it. But anyways, this is good for literally anything. Like I put it in my yogurts, on fruit, in my smoothies. Really, really good. Aha. Shepherd's pie is new, everybody. I cannot wait. I will be getting my order in a couple days. This is one of the first things that I will definitely be making. Takes less than 20 minutes, and it's shepherd's pie. Who doesn't love shepherd's pie? But definitely have a look at all of our meal solutions. We have more on the next page. Everything, you guys, takes less than 20 minutes, and each package could make up to 16 servings in total, depending on the package. But let's talk about saving money. This is the best way to do it, and it just makes things easy. Perfect for somebody who wants to cook but is still learning, or they don't cook much but need something quick, easy, and amazing. Tuna casserole is new. A lot of us tried this at the new product launch, and wow, it tastes really good. I would not have thought that I would like something called tuna casserole, but it's actually really, really good. But check them all out. We have tons. Amazing thing to have. They come in packages of 2 or 10s, or I'm sorry, 2 or 3 for $10. So make sure to look at the ones you purchase. It's a good kind of gift idea too, because if you just want to put in a couple different packages as a gift idea, or you can give 1 to your son's teacher, or 2 to your son's or daughter's teachers, whatever, but people love them. Very, very easy. More packages. We have the 3-week dinner collection. Again, more how yummy does this look? And this is just kind of showcasing just kind of different ways to try they have the larger pan, they have the tinier ones. Our silicone pan sheets are amazing because makes a cleanup easy. You just have to pretty much wash the silicone sheet, which is a lot easier than trying to wash a whole pan. Typically, they don't fit in the sink. So can I say easy? So much easier. Our herbs and spices. I can say I have all of them. They taste amazing. Don't buy any herbs and spices from the supermarket anymore. These are so much healthier for you, so much tastier, and look at the price. $7.50, you guys, is pretty good. Our condiments, always amazing. Check those out. More here. We have the Salsa Mixes. Dips are super popular. I can also say I have had them all at some point. I've tried them all. Again, you guys, super, super popular. A good gift idea. 2, 3, 4 people cannot say no. Salad dressings are so popular too, because if you guys look in your fridge right now, you will probably notice different salad dressings, probably 3 or more, but check the back. I bet you they are expired. Yucky, right? So you don't want to use anything, you do not want to use anything expired, but they're just not healthy for you. Make your own, super easy, and people will love it. They will say to you, you made this? How did you do it? Show them Epicure, you guys. They will be so impressed. And I'm trying to think, I'll have to check the back of a bottle again, but every bottle makes multiples. So you don't think, okay, well, this will last me for maybe 2 different salads. No, like we're talking 20, 30, 40 salads. I don't know for sure. I can't think of it right now, but makes a ton. Our Nutritional yeast toppers are amazing. Put them on anything. These, of course, amazing too, especially with the fall, the winter coming up. Who does not love a good soup? Our pizza and sauces, you guys. So as I had mentioned, we have these new sheet pans. Comes in a pack of 2, plus our gluten-free pizza crust. This is new, super popular at our taste testing, where we do showcase a product like a month before we might have it in the new catalog. This crust mix sold out in like what, 2 weeks? I think 3 weeks even. So it's so popular. It tastes really, really good. Trust me, you will love it. We just have so many things that I know you will love. So I'm just going to kind of flip through a couple things. The toppers, always a good idea. You can't say no. Our popcorn seasonings, you need them all. I'm telling you, such a nice, much healthier snack for you and the kids. Much, much healthier. You can make popcorn in our Epicure steamer. Trust me, so much easier, so much less messy, and oh, tastes so good. Check out this cake, you guys. We teach you how to make cakes in the steamer. Yum, yum. Yes, it's possible. Our new products right here, super excited for this one. Our different cake mixes for the fall, the winter, for the holidays. Who doesn't love a good cake? My personal favorite, our caramel sauce mix. Oh my goodness, we had a taste test again for that product where we were selling it for customers, or to customers, a month before, and it sold out so fast I couldn't even order it for myself. How sad is that? So now that I was able to pre-order it, once again, I pretty much stocked up. I am going to give this to everybody for Christmas. Just saying, they'll be getting a lot of yummy Epicure. These are seasonal too, you guys. Our cheesecake mixes are to die for, and keep in mind, you can make them in the steamer. Our pudding, you guys need to try it. Kids love it, so much less sugar. Apple pie, so popular. Cinnamon, always. Our cran apple cinnamon, our baked apple seasonings, again, oh my goodness, so good, so good. We now have new hot chocolate, peppermint matcha. Matcha is so healthy, you guys. You need this hot chocolate. We have amazing ones. Check them out. We have some new teas also that are seasonal, and our nut seasonings. If you don't like nuts, or you happen to be allergic to nuts, you can use chickpeas instead of nuts. So much healthier. I mean, nuts are healthy anyway, but if you don't like nuts or you are allergic, then you obviously can't have them, right? But you can use chickpeas instead. Tastes really good. Using these seasonings are the only way that I will eat chickpeas, actually, because I don't usually like them, but they're so healthy for you. Adding this, oh my goodness, it is just so good. We have so many teas. I have all of them because the fall, the winter, I prefer tea actually over coffee. It just tastes so good. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to order some more teas. Our kitchen tools, you need all of them. Yes, I think you need all of them. The newer roll up the rack over here. This can be used for anything. So helpful if you don't have a lot of kitchen space. This will help you just sort of add to that counter of your kitchen. Check it out. I could talk about our cooking tools forever. They are all amazing. Silicone is the way to go. So much easier to clean. You need to just change everything over to silicone. Trust me on this. Our cookware is amazing and it lasts. This is not your cookware from Walmart that might last you 3 months. This will last you years and years and years. Again, our silicone cookware, you need all of it. Silicone, like our steamers are amazing. You will not find them anywhere else. Cook anything in under 20 minutes. Cook a full chicken in our steamer in 14 minutes. I'm not kidding. 14 minutes of full chicken. If you're not sure, try it. You will be amazed. At cooking classes, we usually cook chopped up chicken for fajitas. Takes about 7 minutes, you guys. How amazing is that? Our silicone round cake pan. Again, I love silicone. This is amazing. Super excited to be getting that. Our perfect portion petite pan. You need this. Talk about something easy to make for school lunches or just something to take to work. You can make cheesecakes in here, cakes, pretty much anything. Just take it to work. Talk about learning portion sizes, right? You don't have to eat the full cake or even half the cake. Just eat a couple of these and then you're all set. Fundraising, I do talk about that a little bit more in a video that I had uploaded a couple days ago. If you would like to be a part of this amazing team, just comment, you guys. Let me know. Talk to me. I am so happy to have everybody and host a party, host a cooking class. You can get free stuff. Cooking classes can be at home, online, wherever. Doesn't matter. I do them all. So thank you guys for listening. I will post a link for this so you guys can actually see it a little bit better if you want. On the bottom, check it out. You will want everything. Let me know. You can order anytime from me. I will leave the link for you guys to order also at the bottom. If this did help you, make sure to click like, and I will keep on doing them. Thank you guys so much for watching.